Hello, children. Before going to start our class, I have a question for you. Here, two whole things are there, this one and this one. This one whole thing is divided into 10 equal parts, and this one is divided into 100 equal parts. That means here 10 rows and 10 columns are there. So 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 equal parts. Okay, children. Now some parts are shaded, children. Here in this one, only one part is shaded out of 10. So when we write a fractional part of that one, 1 by 10 this is. Okay. Now here what, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded out of 100. 5 by 100 is the fractional part of the shaded part. Okay, children. Now, if we consider this one is 20 rows and 50 columns are there, which is equal to 1000 parts. This whole thing is divided into 1000 parts. Okay. And how many are shaded? This one 45 are shaded, children. Okay. So the fractional part of this shaded part is 45 by 1000. Okay. Here we observe that the denominators are 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, children. Here 10 is what? 10 into 1. Okay. This is 10 into 10. And this one is 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, children. When the denominators are the powers of 10, then that type of fractions are called as decimal fractions. Okay, children. Suppose I draw a number line like this, and this is 0 and this is 1. Suppose this from here to here, this is one whole thing. This one whole thing I am going to divide into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. That means this up to here this is can be written as 1 by 10. This can be written as 2 by 10. This is 3 by 10. This is 4 by 10. This is 5 by 10. This is 6 by 10. 7 by 10. 8 by 10. 9 by 10. And this is 10 by 10. 10 by 10 is nothing but 1. Isn't it? Now here, children, we observe that the denominators of these all fractions are 10. That means they are decimal fractions. Now here, suppose, children, take this fraction 1 by 10. Okay. And this fraction, we can see that numerator is less than denominator. That means this is a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction. That is why in this fraction no whole number is there. One whole number also not there. Okay. So now what I will do means this one I will divide this number into two parts, children. Okay. I want to write this fractional decimal fraction as something else. Okay. That for that one I am dividing this one into two parts, and here I will write it the whole part. Here I will write whole part, and here the fractional part I will write. That means a part of a whole, isn't it? Fractional part. Okay. Now the whole part here is nothing is there, no whole part. So here I will put 0, and fractional part is how much? This is how much? 1 only. So 1 I am writing. And to uh, divide these two parts separately, I am putting 1 point here, children. Okay. Now we will write the some other numbers also in the same way. Let us take 5 by 10. Okay. 5 by 10 can be written as, this is also a proper fraction. So no whole part in this. So whole part place I am writing 0. And I am dividing this whole part with the fractional part. What is the fractional part, children? 5. So 5 I am writing here. Okay, children. Now let us take this 10 by 10. Okay. 10 by 10 can be written as, here one whole thing, 10 ones are 10 ones are. So one whole thing only we get. And what is a fractional part, children? No fractional part. So fractional part, that will be 0. Okay. In the fractional part place, it is 0, and the whole part place, this is 1. Okay, children. Now, the decimal fractions can be written as in this form. Okay. The number which is which the dot is kept. Okay. And this part is called as whole part, and this part is called the fractional part, isn't it? Now, this type of way of writing the numbers, this type of numbers called decimals, decimal numbers. Okay, children? Whenever we write a number like this, by putting one dot, separating two numbers with a dot, this one will be the whole number and this one will be the fractional number. Okay. So this type of number is only called as decimal number. Okay, children? Decimal number. Today we will learn about decimal numbers. Suppose I am drawing one more number line, children, here. Okay. Now here I am putting this one as 0, this one 1, and this one 2, and this one as 3, and so on. Okay. Now each one I am dividing into 10 equal parts, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now from 0 to 1 it is a one whole thing. Okay. And from 1 to 2 it is another whole thing. And from 2 to 3 it is another whole thing. Okay. Now if I consider this one, from here to here, this full thing. Okay. This full thing I am considering. From here to here, that is two whole thing. Okay. And I will consider only up to 5 here. This one. Okay. This one. How much this one? This is not one whole thing from 2 to 3, isn't it? This is only how much? Only fractional part, 5, isn't it? So here how much we have taken, children? From here to here, we can write this one as two whole thing and separated by one dot, and this one fractional part, here we will write at this side of this point, 5. Okay, children, that is 2.5. This one being the whole number, children, and this one being the decimal part. This is called whole part and this is called decimal part. Okay, children, and this point is called as decimal point. This point is called decimal point. This decimal point separates the number, the whole part and the decimal part. Okay, children? In scale also we can see, children, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are centimeters, isn't it? That means from here to here this is 1 whole centimeter. From here to here it is 2 whole centimeter. This is 3, like that. And 1 whole centimeter is divided into again 10 parts. This 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. And each part we call it as mm, isn't it? So if we write the decimal numbers of this one, suppose this is we will take, okay? This is how much, children? It is less than 1 whole part even. So this can be written as 0.5. And this is 1. This is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1. Now here one more number line I have taken, children. Okay? And each part is divided into 10 equal parts. Now at some points I have written the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we will write the decimal points for that one where they are. Okay? A is where? A is at here before less than 1 whole number itself. So the whole part will be 0 point, and this one how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, children. So A is at 0.5. Next, B is where, children? This is also less than 1, isn't it? So we write the whole part this side of the decimal point as 0. And how many parts this one? 8. So that is, how many parts are this one? 9. So this is 0.9. Okay. And C is where here? 1 whole part it has overtaken here after 1 whole part. Okay. So here C can be written as, in the whole part 1 we can write, okay, point, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. 1.4. Next, D is at 2, children. That means the whole part is 2 exactly, and there is no fractional part. So in the fractional part place we keep it 0. Now this E is where? E is, it has it has 2 whole parts, and how many fractional parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2.6 it is. E is at 2.6. Next, F is where? It is 3 whole parts it crossed, and so it is having 3 whole parts, and fractional part how much? After 3 we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3.5. Okay. Now G is where? It is 4.2. 4.2. Okay, children. So these numbers are decimal numbers. Here one number line is given, children, and 3 decimal numbers are given. We need to represent those decimal numbers on the number line. Okay. Here it is what? 0.8. Okay. That means this will be 0, this will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Here it is, this one. This is 0.8. Okay, children? Next, 1.3. After 1, this is 1, this is 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So here it is 1.3. Okay, children? Next, 2.7. This is 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. 2.6, 2.7. Here it is 2.7. This one. Okay, children. Suppose, children, this whole part is divided into 10 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded, that is 2 by 10. Okay, the shaded part fraction is 2 by 10. Now we write this one as decimal is 0.2. Okay, and when the same part is divided into 100 equal parts, the same thing. Okay, children. Now the parts are divided into 100. Now the shaded part is the same thing, isn't it? So now how the shaded part fraction can be written as 20 by 100, isn't it? Now this one is how much, children? 0.2 again, because it is the same shaded part. Okay, children. Now by this we can tell that suppose 3 by 10 is equal to 30 by 100. Okay, children, that means 0.3. 3 by 10 can also be written as 0.3 and 30 by 100 can also be written as 0.3. Now let's see the place value chart of decimal numbers, children. Here, as we know that a decimal number is having two parts separated with decimal point. A whole part and a decimal part. Whole part place values are what? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and so on. And here the decimal parts, when it comes, the immediate place after this decimal point will be tenths place. We pronounce it as tenths place. This is pronounced as tenths place. This one is different from this tens, children. Here it is, this one is TENS, tens place. But this is TH is there. We pronounce it as tens place. Okay, children. And the second place after this decimal point, second place is called as hundredths place. Okay, children. And the third place after this decimal point is called as thousandths place. Okay, children. Tenths place can also be called as 1 by 10, and the hundredths place is 1 by 100, and thousandths place is 1 by 1000. For example, let us take one decimal number, children. Suppose 15.74. Okay, 15.74. Now here this is a decimal point and this is whole part, as we know, whole part, and this is decimal part, isn't it? Now whole part we will write in whole part 15. This is ones place, this is tens place. In ones place what is there? 5. So in ones place we write 5, and in tens place 1 is there, so in tens place we write 1. That is 15.74. The immediate place of this one will be tenths place, 1 by tenths place this is. So in this place we write this digit 7, and in 1 by hundredths place this is 4 is there. This 4 we will write here. Okay, children. And whereas in thousands place nothing is there, we can put it as 0. Okay, children. So 15.74. 15 is whole part. This is a decimal point, and 74 is the decimal part. One more example we will take, children. Here 547.012. Okay, this is a decimal number. Now 547 is a whole number. This one is ones place, this one is tens place, this one is hundreds place. So we will write as 5, 4, 7. Okay, 547 point, and this one is in 1 by tens place, so 0 we'll write here, and this one is in 1 by hundreds place, so 1 we will write in this place and 2 in this place. Okay, children, and one more thing, children, here when we pronounce a decimal number, we pronounce like this: 547.012, not 12. Okay, we can't pronounce this one as 547.12 like that. No, we have to pronounce it as after point, this decimal part, each digit we need to pronounce separately. Okay, for example, another example we'll take. Suppose 375.203. Okay, we pronounce this one as 375.203, not 203. Okay, children. Writing decimals in expanded form. Now here this is a whole part and this 243 is a decimal part. We expand this one like this: 3 plus 2 is in which place, children? 2 is in 1 by 10's place, isn't it? So 2 into 1 by 10. Next, plus the 4 is in 1 by 100's place. So 4 into 1 by 100. Next, plus this 3 is in 3 into 1 by thousands. Okay, children. Now this one can be equal to 3 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Okay, children. Like this we need to expand the decimal numbers, or writing the decimal number in expanded form. Let us take another example, children. Suppose 25.704, okay, which is equal to 25, 20 plus 5 plus, now decimal number 7, 7 by 10 plus, here in hundredths place, 1 by hundredths place 0 is there. So 0 by 100 we can write, or else we need not write this one because it is a 0. Next, plus this 4, 4 by 1000. This is the expanded form. Now let us write these ones in decimal numbers, children. First one, 6 tens, 8 ones. That means 6 into 10, 60 plus 8 ones. That is 68. Okay, 68. And 4 hundredths. See here, TH is there in these spellings. That means it is in 1 by hundredths place. That means after decimal point, tenths place is missing here. So in tenths place 0 is there, and in hundredths place 4 you need to write, and in thousandths place 7. Okay, children. So the number is 68 because these two are whole number. So 68 in the whole number part, 0.047. Next, coming to the second one, children. Here 3 is a whole number, 3, and point. This one, this one, this one, these three are decimal parts. So immediately after point 7 is there. So 7 is in 10th place. So in 10th place write 7. The 2 is in 100th place. To write 2 in 100th place, and 8 is in 1000th place. So write 8 in 1000th place. 3.728. Next, coming to this one, children. This is what? 3.4 out of 10. That means this one and this one are decimal parts. 4 by 10, that is in 10th place 4 is there, and 100th place digit is missing here. So in 100th place we need to put 0. In 1000th place 5 is there, so in 1000th place write 5. This is 3.405.